Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a piece of audio hardware that promises some serious power, a 700W audio amplifier board. This particular board is listed as a single-piece lot, manufactured by Taida, and it's designed for high-power applications, specifically as a single-channel amplifier. The specifications provided tell us a few key things about this board. It's rated at 700 watts, which is a substantial amount of power for a single channel. This immediately suggests its primary use case is likely driving a demanding subwoofer or perhaps a very powerful full-range speaker in a mono setup. The board operates on 15 volts. Now, achieving 700 watts of output power from a 15-volt supply is quite interesting. This typically implies a very high current draw, potentially requiring a robust power supply capable of delivering many tens of amps, or perhaps the board incorporates some form of voltage boosting or is designed for a specific type of load or power supply configuration not fully detailed in the basic specs. It's a point that would definitely warrant careful consideration and proper power supply matching for anyone looking to use this board. Mounting-wise, it's described as freestanding. This means you're getting the bare circuit board. It's not enclosed in a case. And while it likely has heat-sinking components on the board itself, integrating it into a system will require providing adequate ventilation and potentially additional cooling depending on how hard it's driven. This is typical for amplifier boards sold for DIY projects or system integration, giving the builder flexibility in how they house and cool the unit. The manufacturer is listed as Taida, while the overall brand is listed as unknown. Taida might be a recognizable name within certain DIY audio communities or component sourcing channels. For many amplifier boards like this, the focus is often on the technical specifications and performance rather than a consumer-facing brand name. Being a single-channel board, its application is quite focused. It's not designed for stereo sound on its own. You would need two of these for a stereo setup, or more commonly, use one for a dedicated subwoofer channel in a 2.1 or home theater system. The high power rating makes it particularly suitable for subwoofers that require significant wattage to move air and produce deep bass. For the DIY audio enthusiast, a board like this offers the potential to build a custom amplifier solution tailored to specific needs. Whether it's building a powerful mono-block amplifier, upgrading the subwoofer channel in an existing system, or creating a custom active speaker setup, a 700W board provides the raw power needed for demanding audio tasks. However, working with high-power audio circuits requires a good understanding of electronics, proper wiring techniques, and safety precautions, especially concerning power supply design and heat management. In summary, this 700W Taida amplifier board is a powerful single-channel option for those looking to build or upgrade a high-power mono audio system, particularly for subwoofer applications. Its 15-volt operating voltage is noteworthy and suggests careful power supply planning is essential to unlock its full 700-watt potential. It's a component for the builder, offering raw power in a freestanding board format, ready to be integrated into a custom audio project.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.